Hello everyone, I'm today's lecturer named Zexuan. It's my pleasure to hold one presentation under such circumstances. The presentation is about one recommendation report about plastic items and degradable items. Okay, let's begin. To begin with, I show the research question of this report and my own recommendation for these two things, plastic items and degradable items, in my presentation. For the research question, the question of whether to recommend the use of plastic items or degradable items is one very complex thing. We are supposed to analyze the advantages and disadvantages of using plastic products and degradable products, because plastic products and degradable products have their own advantages and disadvantages. We need to analyze from harm to the environment and market prospect. After analysis, we choose which product, plastic item or degradable item to recommend. And for my own recommendation, based on the analysis on the environmental hazards and the market prospect of plastic item or the degradable item, I advocate the use of degradable material items, which is more environmentally friendly and in line with the time trend. For the main research objects in this article, plastic item and the degradable item, we are supposed to be asking questions like this. What are plastics and degradable items? Yes, it is shown in my PPT. The plastic items are made from polymer compounds. In addition, the degradable items are made from the degradable material, which is a material that degrades both thermodynamically and kinetically over a period of time. According to the external factors of degradation, it can be divided into photodegradable materials, biodegradable materials, and so on. The main influencing factors are temperature, molecular weight, material structure, and so on. Lactic acid, starch plastics, and photodegradable plastics are all typical degradable materials. Yes, then is next. On the criteria 1, environmental hazards. First of all, compared to the degradation time of plastic material products for hundreds and thousands of years, the degradation time of degradable material products only takes a few years, maybe 1 year or maybe 5 years. The short degradation time allows the transition stage of degradable materials to minimize the environmental damage was small, unlike the toxic microplastics and solute product produced by plastic degradation. Degradable material products are mostly degraded into natural substances such as carbon dioxide and water. Although it is also has environmental hazards, it brings less. Yes, there is no doubt that the fully degraded products or degradable material products have a much smaller negative impact on the environment. The emergency of degradable plastic products to a certain extent solves the problem of environmental pollution caused by the traditional plastic products that are not recyclable and difficult to degrade. On the criteria 2, market prospect. Plastics are ubiquitous in modern society due to their excellent material properties. Yet they are not able to degrade, so they could keep in one state for a long time. It's of manufacture and low cost. However, due to the high manufacture cost of degradable material, these degradable material products are often used in specific areas in actual use, such as food packaging and the medical packaging, and so on. With the continuous improvement of environmental awareness and the continuous strengthening of policy support, the market prospect of degradable plastics is broad. Yes, nowadays, the market size of degradable plastics is gradually expanding, and analysts expect that it will show a rapid growth trend in the future, and the popular will be rapidly improved. Maybe one day, we will mainly use the degradable material items rather than the plastic material items. Yes. In the end, I will give one results presentation to you. I highly recommend the use biodegradable materials items. From my perspective, the use of degradable material products is the trend of the time. I believe that one day in the future, the use of degradable material products will become routinized. Use of degradable materials is the best solution to plastic pollution. Nowadays, the white pollution is in many places is very serious. The plastics put into the oceans and rivers pollute the water resources. The plastics in the farmland damaged the soil. Those all greatly damage the living environment of countless organisms, and also have a serious negative impact on the human health. Yes, they also harm our health. Compared to the plastic products, degradable material products are a lot less harmful to the environment. Moreover, degradable material products have very good market development prospects. Maybe now they are not that popular, but I think in the future they will be very popular. In recent years, countries around the world have increased the number of policy adopting the lowering of plastic value-added tax and other charges. If you use a lot of plastics, you will take up a lot of money. It will cost you a lot of money too. Banning and limiting the use of traditional plastic products. Legislation to promote degradable products and other means to promote the use and the development of degradable material products. The use of degradable plastics and degradable material products is already a major trend in today's world. Yes. That's all. Thanks for listening.